things are.
Yeah, well, you know what?
Dude, they're doing. That's doing really good though, man.
That's all day.
Woo! It's doing great, man. I'm like, this is like, it is so smooth. The bandwidth is great. So thank you very much for the demo. That was awesome. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What's up, man?
Holy moly. That's nasty.
Can I come in? Are you cooling off for a minute? How you doing, man?
Hey, what's happening, Jake?
What's up, man?
You know, Pinky.
You what?
Pinky told me.
Oh, yeah? Ooh, looks good. Wow.
Yeah, we did everything.
Did you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Yes, sir. I got 6 of the depth mounts, DB4s, and I only have one alternator, 3.7 CES. I just put the new 8Ks in now. I got a 95 now. C-Max.
Okay. Nice. What are you wired to with? Is it strapped or are they separate?
No, they strapped.
They strapped?
Yeah. I think it was like right at the corner.
Okay. Looks good. Is this Guy Stevenson's old
Yeah,
Jeep?
this used to be Guy Stevens.
Okay.
And
yep.
then,
really good.
Rashard, she used to get one.
Yep. Wow. Looks really good. Yeah, it's hot out today. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Pinky system he showcased at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase show. Go ahead, give him a like. Really impressive. Turn up the bass style system. We're getting a demo of today. This was actually the previous video link I put in the description from about 3 years ago when there was 3 21-inch subwoofers in this same vehicle. And then Pinky would decided to turn it into a 6 15-inch subwoofer system. After this demo, the subwoofer coils were really hot. I actually could feel the heat coming off of them during the demo you're going to see. And the way the amplifier rack layout is, I really like the cosmetic green and pink look to it. These Apocalypse 8Ks are around 0.8 ohm each. They are rated at 8,000 watts RMS, and he has them wired down a little bit, so I'm sure he's getting all the juice to them. And the subs were getting really hot during the demo, so you definitely could tell that the subs are pushing out the pressure. The style of his amplifier rack with the beauty panels covering everything really makes a clean, crisp look to it at the show. And the amplifier cooling fan layout to keep the amps cool, because when you're demoing all day and over 90-degree weather, you got to keep them cool. So really smart layout idea to it. So this is a 16,000 watt RMS system on 6 15-inch subs. We're getting to the bass demo now. Got some really good outside flex as well as hair trick flex and some bass response reactions of somebody else getting in the system. So hit the subscribe button for daily car audio videos coming your way every day and enjoy this impressive 4-minute demo. I'm ready. That's doing really good though, man.
That's all day.
Woo. It's doing great, man. I'm like, this is like, and it's so smooth. The bandwidth is great. So thank you very much for the demo. That was awesome. Thank you, man. Appreciate the demo. Man, yeah, really good. And I don't know, it feels like the pressure right here by the window. I don't know, it's on that side.
Yeah, it's on that side.
It's really windy, man. I appreciate the demo. Awesome. Thank you. Good job, man. Wow.